10 amazing and evidence-supported health benefits of running. Running can give you a longer life, better sleep, improved immunity, mood and more. It's even good for your knees and lower back. It transforms your life to become a runner. However, you may not realize how much it enhances each element. Here's some proof of the incredible benefits that running can provide. Number 1. Running improves your health. Running, believe it or not, is an excellent way to improve your general health. Running has been shown to enhance healthy cholesterol levels while also improving lung function and use, according to research. Running can also help to enhance your immune system and reduce your risk of blood clots. Number 2. It prevents disease. For women, running can actually help to lower your risk of breast cancer. It can also help reduce the risk of having a stroke. Many doctors today recommend running for people who are in the early stages of diabetes, high blood pressure, and osteoporosis, and it is proven to help reduce the risk of having a heart attack. By helping the arteries retain their elasticity and strengthening the heart, your chances of suffering a heart attack can be significantly reduced. Number 3. You might lose weight. Running is one of the most effective ways to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. You'll discover that it's a great method to lose weight and that it's the second most effective workout in terms of calories expended per minute, trailing only cross-country skiing. Number 4. Running boosts your confidence. Not all of the benefits of running are physical. Running can provide a noticeable boost to your confidence and self-esteem. By setting and achieving goals, you can help give yourself a greater sense of empowerment that will leave you feeling much happier. Number 5. It relieves stress. Stress can actually cause a number of health and mood problems. It can also diminish appetite and sleep quality. When you run, you force your body to exert excess energy and hormones. Running also helps to reduce your chances of developing tension headaches. Number 6. Running has the power to eliminate depression. When you are depressed, the last thing you likely want to do is to get up and go for a run. Yet you will find that after only a few minutes of running, your brain will start to secrete hormones that naturally improve your mood. In fact, there are few things in the world that can better or more rapidly treat depression than exercise such as running. Number 7. It strengthens your bones big time. Most people consider bones as strong and unchanging. However, after age 30, there is significant potential for decreases in bone density, says Sims. This sounds scary, but we are in luck. Bones are living things, and therefore get stronger when a force, like running, stimulates growth. Number 8. It can even help you sleep better. Researchers at Johns Hopkins Medical Center found that cardiovascular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality, as long as you give yourself a few hours afterward to wind down for bed. Number 9. It improves your skin. Conditions such as psoriasis and eczema often flare up with high stress levels. The calming influence of running can help improve skin, and it boosts self-confidence, too, which can often be low in sufferers of long-term skin conditions. Number 10. Running may lengthen your lifespan. If you haven't noticed by now, running comes with a ton of mind and body benefits, and they all add up to one majorly impressive perk: a longer life. When Stanford University School of Medicine researchers followed up with participants in a study about running's influence on health after 21 years, 85% of runners were still alive compared to just 66% of non-runners, suggesting a connection between running and longevity.